welcome back to my channel where I share a bunch of educational resources and advice for students worldwide. Today's focus, back to school. Holidays, the best time of year. Wake up whenever you want, go to the beach, play PlayStation all day, watch as much TV as you want, until the next advertisement on TV is about back to school. Suddenly, your heart starts racing. Has this happened to you? Because it's happened to me. What are you feeling here? Well, what you're feeling is anxiety. And today, I'm going to share with you the best tip on how to deal with this anxiety. The best way to eradicate anxiety is to simply do what makes you anxious. The more you do it, the anxiety will eventually disappear. And how does this relate to school? Well, the minute you go back to school, day 1, day 2, eventually everything's going to feel back to normal. I hope you enjoy the rest of your break and best of luck for the upcoming school year. Please subscribe for more.